Get free money from banks. Top 5 bank sign-up bonuses in 2026. Did you know some US banks will actually pay you just for opening an account? You could earn hundreds of dollars in cash bonuses, but only if you know where to look. Many American banks compete for new customers by offering cash sign-up bonuses. These aren't free with no strings attached. You usually need to meet certain requirements, such as setting up direct deposit, maintaining a minimum balance, or completing a few debit card transactions. Here are 5 types of bank bonus offers that are commonly available. 1. Checking account bonus. Open a qualifying checking account and complete the required activities. Some banks offer bonuses that can range from around $200 to $500. 2. High-yield savings bonus. Deposit the required amount into a savings account and keep it there for the specified period. Some banks reward eligible customers with a cash bonus. 3. Direct deposit reward. Set up your paycheck to be deposited into your new account. Many promotions require this step before paying the bonus. 4. Student or young adult offers. Some banks have special promotions for students or younger customers with lower balance requirements. 5. Referral bonuses. Invite friends to open an eligible account using your referral link. If they qualify, both of you may receive a reward, depending on the bank's program. Important tip: always read the offer's terms and conditions. Check the eligibility rules, required activities, deadlines, and whether the bonus is considered taxable income. If you enjoy saving money and finding smart financial opportunities, follow for more US finance tips that can help you make informed money decisions.